Hey everyone, Spencer Kaufman here with How To Video Channel. Today I'm going to show you how to replace the camshaft position sensor on a 2010 Subaru Forester. Now, this should be the same on all Subaru Foresters from 2010 to 2014. If you run into any issues or have any trouble, put something in the comments below and I'll do what I can to help you out. So, to answer your question, for those of you who just need to know where it is, guess what? The camshaft position sensor on a Subaru Forester, at least 2010, hopefully up to 2014, is under the alternator. So it is going to be under this, right here. So it would be like right down here, and it's going to look like this piece. You probably already ordered one online. Now you just need to know where it is. And all the other videos you watched on YouTube said, oh, it's by the battery. Oh, it's just right here. Well, where the heck is right here? Oh, it's under this. Oh, it's behind this wheel. Oh, it's, hey, guess what? In this, take this off, and then you don't need to remove the alternator or anything. You can reach it underneath the alternator. What you'll need is a 10mm socket. So to remove this piece, just like that, step number one, get this shield, this guard out of the way. There we go. That just clips in, so don't worry about that. Okay, don't lose that. Now, it is underneath here. Now, if you really need to, I suppose you could take the alternator off. I wouldn't recommend it because you got to remove these belts. Some people are going to tell you to remove the belts and everything, but you should be able to get to it right back here. I'm going to show you exactly where it is. So keep in mind, this is what it looks like. It's sitting in there just like this. And so there's a bolt bolting it in, and then there's a clasp going over this. So what I'm going to do now is bring you over here so you can get a view down in there to see where it's sitting. All right, so here we are beneath the alternator. You can see the alternator's right here. Right here beneath the alternator, there's a little nut right in the center of your screen. That is the 10mm. Then to the left of that is the little clip for this line that you need to remove. So you pull that clip off. You might need a flathead screwdriver to help you out. Get that off, and then a 10mm nut. Remove that bolt. Then you will set the new one right on top of there. Put that bolt back in. Reconnect that connector. And that is how to replace the 2010 Subaru Forester camshaft position sensor. It should work on models up to 2014. Again, if you have any questions, put it in the comments below. All right, here we go. So now you are looking at the alternator right here, and then down there, the camshaft position sensor and little clip. And what we are going to do is walk you through the steps of getting it out. So grab that 10mm wrench. Get in there and remove that nut. Once you have it loose, which is just a little turn, then you should be able to get it by hand the rest of the way. It's a little tight with the belts and everything, but it can be done. If you want, you can remove the belts to get this out, but okay, there we go. So now you need to remove this little clip right here. So what I'm going to do is lift it out and then pull it over in front of the belts, so then you can just pull it off. Now right here behind the belt, you can see that's the electrical tab, and then right behind that is the hole where we removed the little bolt. So now I'll show you putting that back in place. All right, so now we are going to put the new camshaft position sensor in. We'll connect this electrical clip. You can see here's the wire. There's the hole that this cylinder drum goes in. So the first thing we want to do is connect this piece. Pull that between the belts. All right, there is only one way that you can connect that, so don't worry. It won't be in upside down. You clip that on. Place the cylinder in the hole and then line up the bolt hole. Just like that. Line up the hole for that little bolt. There we are. Now this is the tricky part. getting it in there, just like so. All right, now to tighten it with the socket, you do not need to turn it really hard. Just a couple clicks or just a slight turn will work. So not hard. Reset, so you have 2 clicks. Turn, that's it. Do a couple more. Then turn again. And that's it. There we go. That is it. That is how to replace the camshaft position sensor on a 2010 Subaru Forester. If you have any questions or comments, please let me know. I really hope that you like this video. If so, hit that like button and also hit the subscribe button to stay tuned to future videos from How To Video Channel.